Jeep ownership offers the advantage of being able to remove its top, but this process can be challenging for hardtop owners. Fortunately, there's a straightforward and cost-effective solution for this issue. Welcome, this is Scott from Say Yes Outdoors. Visit your local hardware store to obtain I-bolt screws, which can be securely mounted into the ceiling studs of your garage. Once your Jeep is properly positioned, follow these steps to remove the top. Consider purchasing the DC Cargo ratchet strap set from Amazon, which is perfectly suited for this system. First, pull the strap into position. Lift one top corner and slide the hook onto it. Ratchet up the corner a few times to slightly raise the top off the Jeep. Utilize the quick release button to quickly tighten the strap onto the top. Gradually raise each corner to prevent tilting and slipping, continuing until you achieve the desired clearance. Repeat this process for the other three corners. Retractable straps are essential for storing the top safely, as non-retractable hooks have long straps that may pose hazards, such as getting caught under tires or entangled with your Jeep when entering the garage. Position your Jeep under the top for easy installation of the hardtop. When lowering the top, support and guide each corner of the top. The quick release button simplifies this process, and it's best to work one corner at a time. Now that the top is securely back on your Jeep, press the red button to retract the straps back to the ceiling. This keeps them out of the way and readily accessible for your next hardtop removal. This setup allows you to conveniently park your Jeep beneath the top when it's not in use, making the process of installation and removing the hardtop a quick and hassle-free task. Thank you for watching Say Yes Outdoors.